Are you kidding?
Yeah.
Raquel Gabin is a beacon of light for her after-school students.
Okay, what did you guys learn today?
One that she wishes she had.
I felt nobody understood. Felt like I was standing in the middle of the busiest street in the world, but nobody could see me.
Just 4 years ago, Raquel attempted to take her own life.
What happened that day?
I'd already been struggling for about a year or so with depression deeply, and when the opportunity showed up, I took it. In that moment, it made me think, what had I done?
And she's not alone. A CDC survey found that Latinos in the U.S. reported having suicidal thoughts at a rate 4 times that of non-Hispanic whites, and a higher rate of depression than any other racial or ethnic group.
Has the pandemic made things worse?
Definitely.
Raquel's mother, Jocelyn Castaños, says finding treatment has been hard.
Do you think there are barriers for Latinos who need or are seeking mental health help?
Oh, there are so many. It starts with culture. We need language. We need people who have the required language skills to help our people. And a big part of our Latino population that's on Medicare and Medicaid, they can't get coverage. There are waiting lists to find providers, sometimes a year long.
A gap health experts have noticed. Just 5% of U.S. psychologists are Hispanic, despite the fact that Latinos make up more than 18% of the U.S. population.
Have you seen a demand for mental health services increase among Latinos since the pandemic?
I think so.
Dr. Carmen Lopez Arbizu is a pediatric psychiatrist who's working hard to change that.
Why do you think the Latino community has been hit so hard during this pandemic?
I think besides access, it has been also stress on work. The workloads have not changed. Many of our Latino community continue to work because they have sometimes jobs that are essential, like mine or yours. You know, we kept working through all this time. I think also the isolation from friends and family and school.
Well, especially in a community that is family oriented.
Especially in a community that is family oriented and that there's no real connection with peers or extended family and friends.
Mental health became important to me when my daughter tried to take her life.
Which is why now Raquel and her mother are speaking out, advocating for more resources.
I'm Morgan.
While Raquel works as a school teaching assistant, letting all kids know they are never alone.
How does it feel to have someone you can talk to at school?
It feels nice. It's like I can stop hiding my feelings.
And then do you feel better after you get to have those discussions and talk a little bit?
Yeah, even if I'm happy, I feel even more better.
Helping others take one day at a time.
So for our viewers, there are bilingual organizations and resources that are always available if you or anyone you know needs help. So, for example, you can text ayuda to the 741 number you're about to see on your screen. Y para los que hablan español, puedes marcar ayuda a la línea que está ahí en la pantalla. And, of course, for help in English, the National Suicide Hotline is also available 24 hours a day.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.